that's what it be like. Real life, still waiting for the green light this time.
Good evening, people. Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy Jermaine Tata Jones. Tonight, me and my boy in a 3355, we're gonna head out to a HTUK car meet. I think we are going to Beckton and then we're gonna cruise down to somewhere just for a whole meet. I think loads of areas are meeting up tonight, and it's HTUK, so you know it's gonna be big. I'm not gonna talk too much. We're gonna jump in the cars and we're just gonna head down there. So I'll keep you locked in. Gotta put my head strap on so you guys can see all of the action. My boy Chris is jumping in the car. Chris is very, very ambitious. So if this footage comes out terrible, then Christian's cancelled. But fingers crossed this guy doesn't mess up the footage. Chris, you got this? Alright, so we've come to the meetup location. We're waiting for everybody to pull up now. I don't actually know where we're going. This invite just got sent to the group chat. I don't know what the hell's going on tonight, but I think it's going to be quite a big meet. So I'm going to try and film as much as I can. This camera is really dark, unfortunately, so hopefully you get a good sense of what's going on. But I think we'll go for a little cruise and stuff like that. So should be a sick evening. Christian on the buttons. Christian's going to be filming. Alright, Chris, what are you saying? Ready for tonight, bro? Oh my god. Bro, it's not a fashion show. We're not going out, blood. We're at a car meet, man. The hell? Alright, Christian is my cameraman. Sometimes he makes usable footage, sometimes he doesn't. Yeah, whatever, man. He's hype. Yeah, whatever, man. Alright, let's go see what's about. Got Darnell in the building. He's failing US3. Yeah, he's hiding his face. No face, no case. All right, we see you. We see you, bro. We see you, bro. In the building. Yeah. I'm feeling the neons tonight, bruv. Guys, let me know. Is it a neon thing or is it out of fashion? My ears are cooked. My ears are cooked. I'm done. I'm done. Guys, I figured out the lighting situation. What are you saying? I'm back. He's saying I look good now. You lot can see my face. All right, cool. We're gonna go around the car park. I'm gonna see what else is here. Ooh, I'm hearing a V8. Yeah, yeah. Whoa! What did I walk into? Yo! Yo! Yeah. This RS4 doing wild things. Doing wild. Look at that! Look at that! I feel the heat! Listen, when that thing's on flame, you feel the heat, bruv. Nah, this car is sick. I need to find out what this guy's Instagram is. M3. Yeah, a lot of that. Yeah. That's a sexy color. Boy, but the color on this M3 though, this is sexy, man. It's like a dark olive green with the stock wheels in black. I'm a huge fan. So sorry that the camera doesn't do it justice, but yeah, this is bad boy. Next to the orange M5 with the black hood, might be carbon, who knows. Look at it. It's like one of them Japanese cars with the lights all in the wheel wells and everything. Yeah, that's baller, and it's got carbon. Rah! Look at the intakes. This thing must be running some mad power. And then in the corner, just humbly, you've got an R8 flexing. Yeah. Baller, big baller. Looking for Christian, I just walked back to my car. The man went shopping, he went to Asda, mid-car meet. Bro, what are you doing? Is that why you went missing? I went to Asda quickly. Hey, what did you get? Did you get our snacks, fam?
Ginger beer.
Yeah, a couple snacks. Let me hold on to that. Thank you. Yeah, big boy name in the building. Come on. Let's hear it then. Let's hear it then, bro. Yeah. Nah, you lot, the car meet is jumping off. People are beeping at each other. There's an ice cream man over there. Jesus Christ. It's chock-a-block. People can't get inside. Hold on, let me film some of the cars that are here. People just having conversations in the middle. Yeah. This is a bad boy M3. Man like Andrew in the building. That 540i nearly smoked me on the motorway. If you say free, he's got some things going on behind it. This is not the problem with getting out. The police are coming here, there's people still revving their cars and stuff. We've got a short drive ahead of us, but yeah. Anyways, we're moving on to the next location now. So we're just gonna, I'd say convoy, but there's literally so many cars. But yeah, we're gonna cruise down there and we'll film whatever we can in it.
We're going up to Blackwall Tunnel. I can't believe it. No way. I don't believe it. Nah, this is what's holding up all the traffic. Oh my days.
So we're obviously trying to get to the second location and there's a tunnel in front of us and we're just slowly moving. But you can tell what's going on. People are just in there revving their cars because you can see all of the smoke coming out. I don't know how long this tunnel is, but Lord God, we've been here a minute. So right now we've landed inside of a tunnel and there's literally so many cars parked up. It took us so long to get in here. Every Everything in here sounds like gunshots. Yo, it's bad. I don't know how much more my ears can take, but right now this is mental. There's so many mad things in here. Oh my God. It's only a matter of time before the police pick up. Alright, so we're officially heading to the next location, if we can make it there. This place is mental, man. Jesus Christ. Oh. Alright, cool. We've just landed at location number 2. Same old vibes, hella cars, hella noise. You guys already know the vibes. All I'm gonna do is just film what we have for today. I'm not even gonna talk anymore. I'm just gonna film the action, film all the cool cars. But
breaking out the beats like who raised ya. Catch you flexing up my chest like nigga who trained ya. Cause every fucking verse got that new flow danger. Where's the major? Am I waiting for that industry savior? Yo man, I'm just trying to get this paper. But get this paper don't mean don't read the paper. Cause then the brother trapped and that's too foreign for my nature. See that's a catch-22, what's a man meant to do? Create your own wave, get it fucking cracking in the booth. That's the real, that's the truth, write a line, smoke a food. Give thanks that you got a fucking talent in the room, come on.
They don't know how we play. Same damn moves every day. They don't know how we play.
But yeah, regardless, tonight's been sick. I think this is gonna be the end for me. I'm starving now, so me and Chris are gonna go. We're gonna go get some McDonald's, go fill up our stomachs. But guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Peace, people.
Prone to panic, I keep it grown and classic. I got the golden eye on me like I know these graphics. I keep it so sporadic. If you really sick as shit, I got my own Titanic.